All right, guys, I just got the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, and that's what I'm filming out on right now currently. And if you look at the previous videos, you'll see that the 13 Pro Max was kind of grainy on my images. But on this one, I like the way it looks. I don't have to use the cinematic mode. And on the next slides, you'll see that I have the unboxing. It's pretty standard when you have an Apple product. It's not really any surprises for you. I do believe it's easier than it used to be in past years, where now you can kind of Bluetooth. I was able to Bluetooth my 15 Pro Max to the 13, and I believe just as long as the updates are already done on both phones, it happened within minutes, the transfer. The only thing I will say that didn't transfer correctly, that I wasn't too happy with, was the contacts. Maybe I did something wrong. I don't know. I had to do the whole eSIM thing and take it to the phone provider and so forth. So anyways, maybe you have an easier experience. But yeah, enjoy the unboxing. All right. Had a lot of delays to get this little guy in, but let's see what we have here. It is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's take a look at her. All right. I got it in the blue. When you get the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it don't have all the selections of the colors that the 15 does. But I thought this was a really cool blue. It's different from my 13 blue. So you get the phone and of course the C cord, USB-C, like what's on your Mac computer and your iPad Pro. And it doesn't come with a cube, but by now, if you've in the family of Apple and you've got everything else, you should have a cube if it's necessary to charge the phone on the cube. Or if you're like me, you have a USB tower. So that shouldn't be a problem. Stay tuned for the setup. So as you see here, it's transferring data from the old phone. And that pretty much is how it works. So if you enjoy this video, please subscribe.